Hey, I'm Gio. We built Schematic for product and engineering leaders who want to roll out new features and drive monetization without changing a line of code. Here's my customer, Acme. They have access to our standard plan, and so they have access to a number of features in this product. In Schematic, you can manage feature access, track utilization, and adjust limits on the fly. I'm going to show you how easy it is to roll out a new feature and tie it to a plan that Acme has access to. Let's jump over to Flags, where we'll deploy and roll out a new feature to a small subset of beta customers. The rollout motion many of us are familiar with. In most tools, this is as far as you can go. In Schematic, you can go further. You can actually convert this flag into a feature when you're ready to monetize. Once it's a feature, you can define your packaging schema directly in Schematic, choosing whether a feature is simply on for the standard plan or metered in some way. Once I've done that for this plan, I can double check I'm targeting the right customers at the plan level. I can also tie my plan audiences to attributes in my CRM so that a sales rep can change packaging in the CRM, and Schematic instantly ensures access to the right features for that customer. I think this is awesome because it allows you to automate product fulfillment from quote to feature access to build. As you scale to more customers, doing this manually becomes untenable. When I go back to Acme's profile, it's clear that they're now entitled to this new feature set. The best companies monetize their product according to how their customer wants to buy it. And nowadays, that's a moving target. With Schematic, you can decouple monetization logic from your code base to free your engineers to focus on core value and empower your business users to price and package flexibly, unlocking the iteration that will grow your business.